Spirit AeroSystems is delivering innovation and quality to defense.
We build the all-composite fuselage for the CH-53K for Lockheed Sikorsky. We're a significant partner on the B-21 program with Northrop Grumman and very proud to be part of that program. And then, of course, V-280 is another area supporting Bell. Relative to future vertical lift, we built the all-composite fuselage on that program, designed to build in 22 months, which was our rapid prototyping capability.
We have a huge fabrication facility here, so we're able to turn things around quickly, both our commercial customers as well as our defense customers. So we can go from just very detailed parts all the way to finished assembly. We're really the only company that has the breadth of experience and expertise to do this for both sides of the business, both aerospace and defense.
Follow Spirit for the latest in defense innovation.